Meditation. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do a half pivot turn on the balls of your feet while making a large circle with your hands. Cross left foot over right, completing the large circle with your hands. Do a half pivot turn to the right, while bringing your hands together into a cup. Cross left over right, cupping your hands together in front of you. Now complete a half turn to the right as you pivot turn on the balls of your feet, while raising your cupped hands high above your head. Cross left over right. Complete a half turn to the right as you lower your arms into a hug. Cross left over right, completing the hug. To a pivot turn on the balls of your feet while hugging yourself. Enjoy the warmth of your hug, surrounded by love and peace. Cross left over right while hugging yourself. Do a half pivot turn to the right, continuing to hug yourself, enjoying the warmth of your body and your love. Cross left over right. As you do your pivot half turn to the right, making a large circle with your hands, imagine you're on a lake of rippling water. Cross left over right. Make your half turn to the right while shaping your hands into a cup in front of you. Cross left over right. As you do your pivot half turn to the right with your cupped hands raised high, giving love, receiving love. You are loved.
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see the lesson for this line dance, please check out my YouTube channel at Line Dances by Gregory Huff. Please like, subscribe, and share it wherever you line dance.